This is an after-hours carpet cleaning job for a 20,000 square foot commercial facility. And what's great about this is it's 10:30 at night. We lock the doors. Nobody can get in without committing a crime, and we will have no surprises unless somebody commits a crime. Of course, a lot of crimes that are committed aren't necessarily violent crimes. What I mean is somebody could just sneak in, grab a computer or two, maybe more, without me even knowing it, because this is a 20,000 square foot facility. We are using the set methodology for this job, soil extraction transfer technology. We first agitated with the tan pad. Now we're extracting more of the water soluble soil with the rayon pad. It's going to do a fabulous job. You're going to see at the end how much soil we got up in just this little area of carpet. The carpets came out great, and they're going to be dry in about an hour. What's great about this method is the stains won't wick back. Wow, just look at that. You could see the proof is in the pudding, or should I say proof is in the pad. The soil was transferred from the carpet to the pad, and the carpets look magnificent. We got all the stains out of the carpet. The carpet is freshened, looks good. These services are available in Tallahassee and surrounding areas.